because I can't assume that because I don't know all white people. And then if I follow the logic, as a white baby, a baby just born, the baby is white. Babies are born into the world who are white. Is that a racist? Is that a white supremacist? Is that a person that tells me what to do each and every minute of each and every day, that governs what I do in economics, what kind of job I will have and whatnot? The baby just got here.
Mm-hmm.
And the baby is white.
Yes.
Also, so I do not believe that that baby is a white supremacist.
Okay.
I don't believe that. I have no reason based on logic to believe that.
Okay.
No way. And then there's another person. Say there's the head of what we call the Ku Klux Klan.
Yes, sir.
All right? And that head becomes senile. I mean, over the years, he becomes older and older and older, like we all do. And then, next thing you know, he's in a wheelchair. Next thing you know, he has Alzheimer's. He can't remember anything. He doesn't know a spoon from a fork. He doesn't know yellow from brown, or black from green, or black from white. That person most likely is not a racist anymore, even though he used to be. I can't charge that person with being a racist now.
Okay.
When he doesn't know a spoon from a fork.
Mm-hmm.
He doesn't even know where he is, or even knows that he is a he.
Yes.
Or he is a person. He doesn't know anything. His mind is gone.
Mm-hmm.
He's become, the ultimate in senility, they call it.
Yes.
Okay? And I would look at that person being wheeled down a hospital ward, and they will say, well, that's the Grand Wizard of such and such a segment of the Ku Klux Klan. And I'll say, no, he isn't. That's a person who is sickly and actually needs a lot of help. And it might be even a black lady wheeling him down the hall. I mean, somebody who used to be much feared and all like that. And so you say, no, you can't charge him with that crime. You can say that he used to be eligible, but that's not a racist.
Okay.